time back to your workshop, to your house, your retirement. And when I came for the first time, this was nothing but a shell.
Yeah, a wreck. I was no longer able to do it. I couldn't do it anymore, and that was the hardest thing for me. What you've done in a few weeks, we take a year. It's
I just want to thank you for trusting me with your car. You're a top man.
Thank you, actually, for doing this.
Well, I don't suppose there's any harm in letting him have another little go. It's auction day. Nearly 30,000 people have come to the Birmingham NEC just to look at some of the world... Come on, hurry up, man. It's getting cold here. Jesus. Hopefully...
Well, do you like it? Yeah, go and see it.
Can we get in there?
Yeah.
Say, it's quite bare inside, isn't it?
Less is more. No, no, right.
You can't afford to put on any weight, can you? You'll be like a jockey. What's that in the back?
That's the fuel tank.
Is it? It's a bit close. You wouldn't be sparking up one and doing the old flicking out the window, would you? Whoa.
Let's stick another.
I love it and loves it. Paul loves it. What about the man whose job it is to sell our hottest of hot hatches?
Okay, so if we push it in.
Man with the golden hammer. Head auctioneer Chris Roundledge.
Mark I Golfs right now are super good news. That whole era is really in fashion. Obviously the market is entirely based around road cars. This sort of conversion, this sort of development on one of these cars is quite unusual. So whoever wants to buy the stuff really going to want to